Pacie.
Hi.
Hi, Pacers.
Hi.
Today is March 21st. And guess what that means, Pacie? What does that mean?
21 plus
Yes. So how many until March 26th?
5.
Yeah, 5 more days until your birthday. Alrighty. So yesterday we finished one packet of the opening of Ryan's World Road Trip. So now Pacie's got 2 more. So which one are you gonna open from today, Pace?
Basically, we have all the kitties on the map actually.
Okay, so which one are you gonna do?
Okay, so we all got my favorite ones, right? So we just need to find which one I'm going to get.
Alright,
How
ready?
many am I opening again? I can't remember.
Just one today. Ooh, who's that?
I don't know. Let's take it out of the bag so we can see him closely.
Wonder where he's from. Hold him up, hold him up.
Okie dokie, Makanoki.
Cute.
He's right here.
Where is he? What does that say?
Wait, hold on. I'm reading West Virginia.
Yeah, West Virginia.
Oh, I was hoping for that one.
This is really cute. I think this one's one of my favorites.
I know, because it has a red cap. That's why.
Alrighty, Pacie, is there anything you want to tell your friends?
Before we go, look what Ryan's doing.
What is Ryan, police officer, doing there?
Handstand.
He's doing a headstand? Too funny. Alrighty, Pacie.
Thank you, everyone. Watching the video. Bye-bye. Just like and subscribe. Click the bell, please. Before I go. 3, 2, 1.
Alrighty.